This is my unit conversion assignment 3. So I started off with just a little description of what the code is meant to do. So the program asks the user to press a number which correlates to a unit conversion that they want, and they enter in the conversion that they want, and once they receive their answer, it will return back to the home screen or the menu, and the user can enter as many as they want until they want to exit the program, and then there is a number they can press to exit. And that's basically what that's saying. And then here I just have my floats and chars, and then this is all of my setup. So here I have my printing out to the serial monitor of the different conversions that they can do and what they have to press to get them. And then here it's just reading the input from the user, and then here it starts with my switch statement. So this is used for each option that they can use. So I have each one correlating to a number. That's how I did it. So if you enter number 1, that will change meters to feet, and so on. And then I have my conversion of how to do it here. So you have to multiply it by 3.281, and then it will print it out to the screen, and then it will return back to the home screen. And I have this for each one of the conversions. And then my last one is when you press 7, it exits. So you will be asked, are you sure you want to exit? And then you have to press Y to exit it. And then if Y is pressed, then it will terminate the code and it will exit the program. And if they type in anything else, it will resume the code and bring them back to the home screen. And then I just have a delay of 3 seconds in and a delay of 1 second here. So my code running is this what it looks like. So I have press 1, press 2 for everything. So if I press 2, and then you've entered 2, enter an amount. So if I do 50, then it will give me the meters to feet conversion, and then it will return back and do another one. And then if I press 6, it will enter an amount, and I do 30, it will convert it, and then it will go back to the menu. And then if I press 7, this is to exit the program. It will ask, are you sure you want to exit the program? Type Y, so then I press Y, and it will say terminating code. So that's it.